All right, let's get right into it. Today, we are going to take a simple lunch and make it absolutely extraordinary with one single magical ingredient: warm honey. Seriously, we're about to completely change the way you think about salad.
You know the feeling, right? You're trying to eat healthy, but you're staring down another sad bowl of limp lettuce. It just feels like a chore. Well, guess what? Today, that all changes. We are banishing boring salads for good.
So here's the secret. It's not actually about what's in the salad bowl. It's all about the dressing. And no, we are not using another store-bought bottle. We are going to whip up a simple, naturally sweet, and totally transformative vinaigrette in just a few minutes.
Okay, let's meet our cast of characters. You know, every great dish starts with great ingredients, and this is no exception. We're splitting this into two groups. You've got your crisp, fresh salad base, and then you have the star of our show, that incredible sweet and tangy vinaigrette.
So for the base, look at this. Vibrant spring greens, cool cucumber, sweet carrots, and tomatoes. And for that awesome texture and richness, some creamy goat cheese and crunchy toasted walnuts. Simple, fresh. And the vinaigrette, see how simple that is? The real power here comes from our hero ingredient, that amazing raw honey.
And now, we get to the part that is a total game changer for this recipe. This next step is not just about mixing things together. Oh no, this is a technique that turns a simple dressing into what I like to call liquid gold for your salad.
And here it is, the hero, raw honey. Now we're using raw honey for a reason. It's not just sweet, it replaces those refined sugars with this complex, floral, and completely natural sweetness that you just can't get anywhere else. It is the heart and soul of this dressing.
Okay, now for the technique, so pay close attention here. Step 1. Gently warm over very low heat. This is, without a doubt, the most important part. We are not trying to cook the honey. If you use high heat, you'll destroy all those delicate enzymes and flavors that make raw honey so special. We just want to make it liquid enough to blend perfectly. So once it's just barely warm, pull it off the heat and whisk in your olive oil and vinegar, then the Dijon and seasonings. That's it. It's so easy.
So what did we just create? A warm vinaigrette. And here's why that little bit of effort is so worth it. Warming the dressing does two things. First, it makes all the flavors, the honey, the oil, the vinegar, just sing together. Second, it gets a little thinner, which means instead of pooling at the bottom of the bowl like a cold dressing, it lightly coats every single leaf. Every bite is perfect.
So, we have our fresh salad base. We have our incredible warm vinaigrette. Now it is time for the grand finale. This part is quick, it's dynamic, and it's where all that magic really comes together. Let's build this thing.
First, get all your greens and veggies into a big bowl. Then, here it is, the key moment. Drizzle that beautiful warm vinaigrette right over the top. You just want to toss it very lightly, just enough to coat everything. Then, right away, sprinkle on that creamy goat cheese and those crunchy walnuts. And listen, the most important part is step 4. Serve this immediately. You want that amazing contrast of the slightly warm dressing on the cool, crisp greens. And hey, for a pro finish, a tiny extra drizzle of honey right on top. It gives it this gorgeous shine.
So, why does this super simple combination taste so ridiculously good? Well, it's not just luck, my friend. It's a little bit of food science. Let's quickly break down exactly why this recipe is a guaranteed winner every single time.
So what's the secret sauce here? First, that raw honey. It's not just sweet, it has a real nuanced flavor that sugar just can't touch. Second, the warmth gives you that perfect coating we talked about, which means you get flavor in every single bite. And third, it's all about balance. You've got sweet from the honey, tangy from the vinegar, salty and creamy from the cheese, and that earthy crunch from the walnuts. Everything is working together perfectly.
And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, here's a pro tip for you. Don't just grab any old honey. Think about where it comes from. A floral honey like clover or wildflower can add these subtle new notes to your dressing. Imagine an apple blossom honey. This is your chance to really play and make this salad your own.
And that brings us to one final thought. We've mastered this salad, but this technique is universal. So I'll leave you with this question. What else could a warm honey vinaigrette transform? Think about it. Roasted vegetables, grilled chicken, a grain bowl? The possibilities here are absolutely endless. You have the secret now. Go make something delicious.